Hello, this is Darin Martineau here. In this video, I'm going to do a case study. Um, this is for my magic students and friends. This is 18 of the best world's greatest comedy magicians. We're going to start with the founding fathers, some of the founding fathers of comedy magic. So we're going to start with, we're going to name the magicians, and then in the description below, I will put links to some of their best performances so you can study them as a case study. So the first one is Tommy Cooper. He's a British icon known for his trademark red fez and failed magician persona. He was a master of the blunder where tricks appeared to go wrong, only for the magic to succeed in an unexpected, hilarious way. So we'll start with him. So click the link and you can watch each one. You can go back, okay? Click the link and watch the video performances of these guys. Because this is going to teach you how to do comedy magic, which is very important. Comedy never hurts the magic. Next one we have founding father of comedy magic, Carl Ballantine. He's often credited with creating the comedy magician archetype. Ballantine billed himself as the Amazing Ballantine. His vaudeville-style routine focused on incompetent magic that flopped to his mock chagrin. Okay, so the next one we're going to have is Billy McComb, and I got to see him perform live at the Magic Castle many years ago. So he was born in 1922 and he passed away in 2006. He's known as the godfather of comedy magic. Billy McComb was a prolific performer whose meticulous, timed monologues and casual delivery influenced generations of magicians. He's known for his half-dyed Hank, his Technicolor cards across, and many other things. So I'll link that. The next one up is one of my favorite, and that's Harry Anderson. He's famous for his acting role on the TV series Night Court. Harry Anderson was a streetwise con man, and his character is a comedy magician whose wise guy persona combined card sharp tricks with witty, cynical storytelling. So he's got a lot of really hilarious things. So I will link these up. The next one is an older one from 1895 to 1976, and he's one of the founding fathers of comedy magic. And it's Al Flosso. He's known as the Coney Island Faker. Al Flosser was a vaudeville veteran famous for his miser's dream routine, where he relentlessly pulled coins from the air and oftentimes from spectators' clothing and from their heads and noses. So we'll put that there. Okay, we'll put the link. Next, we're going to talk about 13 modern masters of comedy magic. Um, First, we have the Amazing Johnathan. He's known as the Freddy Krueger of comedy. He pioneered high energy, shock, humor style magic involving gory props and manic energy. Um, so we'll link that, okay? Like his knife through arm, he's known for, and many other things. Then we have Matt King. Matt King is one of the best and the longest running magicians. He's been a staple of Las Vegas Strip. He's also been a producer of many comedy shows and other things. Matt King is he's renowned for his family-friendly, quirky humor and his low-budget props like the Cloak of Invisibility, his yellow raincoat for his cards across, and it masks his world-class technical skill. So this is a case study, and I'm going to link up each videos to each of these. So this is going to be for my students. Okay, next up is one of my favorites, Fielding West. He's a winner from the prestigious Desert Magic Seminar's Comedy Magic Competition. Fielding West has opened the show for such A-list celebrities as Liza Minnelli, Glenn Campbell, Earth, Wind, and Fire, and many other celebrities. His numerous network television appearances, including spots on the Smothers Brothers Comedy Hour, A&E's An Evening at the Improv, Caroline's Comedy Hour, and NBC's The World's Greatest Magic, and the world's wildest magic TV specials. Fielding has also worked as a writer, magic consultant, and technical director with Lance Burton, his good friend, and Siegfried and Roy, many of their TV specials. Fielding's first 1 hour comedy special, Hocus Pocus, It's Fielding West, aired on the WGN in July of 2009. So these are some of my favorites. This is going to be great to watch these and to get inspired for your comedy magic. Okay. Next up is Tom Mullica. Okay. Tom Mullica was born August 19th, 1948, and he passed away February 18th, 2016. He's an American comedy magician and impressionist he was also an actor, and he performed on television specials and appeared on the Late Night with David Letterman, the World's Greatest Magic TV specials, Viva Variety, and Penn and Teller's Sin City. So he's known for his cigarettes, putting tons of cigarettes in his mouth, and many other things. So I'm gonna link these up. I'll put performances. Okay. Um, so Tom Mullica also performed for the Just for Laughs Comedy Festival and toured the United States and Canada. Um, and he with Red Skelton and performance tribute Red Skelton tribute show with Mullica wrote and starred as Skelton and his characters. He received some of his magic awards: the Siegfried and Roy Golden Lion Award, the Magic Desert Seminar in 1984 in Las Vegas, and then he also received the Baird Foster Award for manipulation at the Abbott's Magic Get Together in 1992 in Collin, Michigan. Okay, so next up we're going to have um, Whit Haydn. Okay, Whit Haydn is known also as Pop Haydn in his characterization. Okay, and I'm gonna link up his Wikipedia, and I'm gonna link up a video performance of some things. He's very famous and known for his comedy floor ring routine. So I want you to check it out. Okay, he currently lives in Los Angeles with his wife Nancy McGill. They work together on the Pop Haydn in the 21st Century, a live theatrical variety comedy show. In this steampunk-oriented reinvention of the 1910 medicine show, um, Pop Haydn or Whit Haydn sells his amazing miracle oil and pitches magnetized water, demonstrates the ability of Tesla coil and to bend the force of gravity with the help of his Tesla girl, and reads people's past and future thoughts through the sphere of destiny. So some of his awards for Whit Haydn is the Academy of Magical Arts Stage Magician of the Year in 1979 and 2014. The Academy of Magical Arts, that's a Magic Castle Parlor Magician of the Year in 1995 and 2002. The Academy of Magical Arts Close-Up Magician of the Year 2003 and 2004, and the Academy of Magical Arts Bar Magician of the Year in 2005. So he's really incredible. Another one of his routines to check out is his antenna routine where he makes the bill travel across. I'm going to put several videos in here. I mean, there's so many, so I'm just going to have some highlight videos for you to study. This is a case study, like I said. Okay, so next up is David Williamson, one of my favorite magicians. Although he's known for his close-up, he's also can do parlors, showing that close-up doesn't just have limitations. Okay, so he's known by his peers as the magician's magician. Okay, Williamson combines his wacky personality with his incredible technical proficiency. Okay, incredible technical skill. So notice that he's camouflaging the technical abilities behind his comedy and wacky personality. Okay, so there's lots of routines that he's known for. So we're just going to link up several things. Next up is Piff the Magic Dragon, who's a modern favorite magician, comedy magician. He performs in the Green Dragon, um, and we'll link up several videos and highlights of all these guys. Okay. Next up is Paul Daniels. Paul Daniels was one of the most famous British magicians, known for his unique comedy style and long-running television shows that brought magic to millions of people. Okay. Um, he he ran on the Paul Daniels Magic Show on the BBC from 1979 to 1994. Okay, next up is Jeff Hobson. He's been an incredible comedy magician and MC. He's known as the Trickster. Jeff Hobson is famous for his flamboyant, sharp-tongued stage persona and highly interactive audience participation. He's also known for his card to mouth and many other things. Okay, I got to see him lecture in Palm Springs a few years ago. Uh, Next up is close-up comedy magic of Don Allen. Okay, I want you to check that out. Next up is close-up comedy magic of Bill Malone. He's a master of the close-up comedy magic, particularly card magic, and that's because he's a protege of Ed Marlowe. And he's known for his high-speed delivery and hilarious Sam the Bellhop routine and his improvisational comedy. And he's known for many things. He's been on The World's Greatest Magic and many more. Next up is Michael Carbonaro. He's known for his hidden camera prank show, The Carbonaro Effect. Uh, he performs baffling tricks on unsuspecting public, blending improvisational humor in everyday situations. Next up is the illusionist Nathan Burton. Okay, and Nathan Burton, he's been on the Las Vegas Strip for a long time, and he's performing his fast-paced blend of large-scale illusions and family-friendly comedy. And then another one to mention is the great Tom Sony, because also the use of his wife Pamela Hayes, who he's known for like his master sophisticated comedy magic. He performed with his wife Pamela in the classic tuxedo, and he did a lot of really cool things with the art. So his blend of flawless sleight of hand with deadpan humor. He's known for uh, his egg bag routine and many other things. So this is a video. So click on the links and watch the performances so you can study this. This is a case study for my students, and enjoy the magic. And then also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like. And then I'd like you to click the link, put in your name and email, and you can get access to my Master Magic course, and you can get several videos sent to your email. It's the Master Magic University newsletter, where I'm going to send you several tutorial videos on magic and many other things. So thank you very much and have a magical day.